Welcome to Precursive. During this short video, you'll be taken through an overview of the app and what you need to get started. If at any point you have trouble, you can use the help links in the top right to overlay some basic help information for the page you are viewing. Access the help documentation, or raise a support ticket with our help team. You can also email us at support@precursive.co.uk with any questions you may have. Precursive has four main parts: projects, schedules, timesheets, and approvals. They're all covered in depth in the help documentation. From the Timesheets tab, you can view your timesheets, edit them for submission, save them, and then submit them for approval. You can also add a comment or note to a project's day by clicking the icon next to the hour box. You can also view a history of your timesheets by clicking on the History tab. Here, you can see timesheets that have been approved, ones that have been submitted but are waiting for approval, and those that are overdue for submission. On the Scheduling or Forecasting tab, you can view different teams or departments, and the members in those departments, and the hours they have entered so far for each project. These default to the week view, but using the drop down at the top, you can change this to a fortnight or to view by month. You can also go backwards in time to view historical months. You can also add a filter for users or by projects. In the Projects tab, you can see a list of projects. You can also add a new project using the button in the top right-hand corner. To view more details about a project, simply click the project name. From here, you can edit a project and also view current users. In the Approvals tab, there is a list of projects waiting for approval. You can click the drop-down to get more information and a breakdown of hours submitted. If you have a manager set, it will be up to the manager to approve or reject timesheets. Otherwise, it is up to the user who submitted it to approve or reject their timesheet. When rejecting a timesheet, you have the option to enter a comment to give feedback to a user as to why it was rejected, so they can change it for resubmission. By using the History tab, you can view past timesheets. Using the Date Range selector, you can filter these. You can also filter by user or month.